Guys, we made it to the airport.
May kasama
Hindi ko alam na may kasama pala kami.
Hindi kami kasama natin.
Oh, wala ka sa GC
Several flight TJ6841 bound for Siargao is now inviting guests under boarding group number 1.
Made it to the hotel. I'll give you guys a tour, but that's pretty much it. Hi! May balcony naman though. Yan, outside. I need to take a shower. Lagkit na lagkit ako, guys. Sobrang haggard. And then, matutulog. Mamaya na tayo mag-bonding kasi parang 24 hours na akong gising. Hello, everybody. I just woke up. Look how glowing. Okay, ready na ako to attack. And guys, I'm actually super sad. Not super. OE. But the bikini top that we bought sa H&M and all of my underwear and active sets, sis, naiwan ko sila sa Manila kasi they look exactly like my other packing cubes. Kulay pink sila lahat. I thought I packed everything. I did all of my reaction na like, oh my god, I'm over it. I'm just gonna do a shop with me on my TikTok. I'm gonna go out. Jad and Jean or Miss Minchin are still sleeping, but I thought I'd do my makeup now because oh my gosh. Look at me under the sun. Ah! Ganda ko. Ang ganda. Okay. Ang ganda, walang panty. Wow! Ano to? Parang masarap pa din.
Cheers.
Anong lakad ka ng umaga?
By first week.
Sorry. Ang cute ng amit is no kasi look. Parang sarap kainin. Guys, this is actually my first time working at a cafe. I'm not a cafe girly because I feel like ang daming nagangyayari para makapag-focus ako. Pero so far, so good. It's not like I have a choice. May deadline ako. Hindi pwedeng ganda-gandahan lang tayo dito sa Siargao. Happy to work though. There you go. I'm working with the Bistro Group. I'm editing it kasi deadline niya today. So yeah, I'll just work and then eat. Hello guys! So finally may kita ko ng beach. We're on our way to Cloud9. Cloud9? Yes. Hopefully, maabutin naman yung sunset kasi nag-aura kami for sunset. We have our G7X. Here's the peg. No, actually, we're the peg. After our pictures, we're gonna be your peg. So may feel ko na nasa dagatan talaga ako. The past one day pa lang naman kami dito. Hindi ko pa siya nakita. So yeah! We're just chilling here sa Cloud9. Tapos na kami mag-content. So, the cloud chasers can rest. But yeah, we're gonna have barbecue, shake. Ang sarap. This is literally the life. I get it now. I used to not like going to the beach. But this time, I love it. Attack! Attack!
Attack! Ako sinunggaban. Sabi niya, magkasilaki lang tayo.
Good morning! Today is Sunday, our third day here, and we are going island hopping. I'm so excited because I actually haven't seen much of the beach. Parang once lang last night nung nag-picture taking kami. Pero everyone is saying how beautiful it is here in Siargao. So I'm very excited. And of course, sasama ho kayo. Let's go! Hey guys, we're here. Nakakain na kami. Finally, we are so hungry. Look at the view. Lunch by the beach. Guys, we're back in our hotel. Grabe yung pinagdaanan namin. Grabe yung pinagdaanan namin kanina. Hindi ko lang na-video kasi ayoko masira yung camera ko. Pero sis, sobrang nakakatawa kasi ang lala. Hello!
Parang kami binabagyo.
Parang kami binabagyo talaga. As in, alam mo yung nangyari? It was like 3-hour biyahe time pala just to get to the island. Tapos 3 activities lang. So, super ganda naman ng place talaga guys. Kaya lang, parang for 3 hours for 3 activities na sobrang bilis lang ha. Like 3 activities in 1 hour. Matagal pa talaga yung biyahe. Buti na lang, we had a lot of fun. Tapos yung pauwi na kami, binagyo pa kami. So talaga, lamig na lamig kami.
Pero, nagulat ka ako nung sabi nila, paki-on na ng aircon. Parang ako, ate, paras ba tayo nasakit pa uwi?
Kaya nga, nanumbalik talaga ako sa Panginoon. Nag-pray talaga, Lord, sorry na talaga. And mas natutuwa pa kami sa corned beef. Kasi yung pinag-sharean namin, naubusan lang din kami sa Boodle fight. So, lesson learned, mag-research at find a better tour company. Kasi to be honest, nung pinakata sa amin yung mga pupuntahan, ang haba na listahan. Tapos pagdating namin doon, ito na yun, like 3 lang. Parang sa list nila, Queen, ang dami, no? Like, and 2 seats. Tapos 3 hours. Okay lang naman sana kung 3 hours yung biyahe. Tapos maraming gagawin. Pero hindi sis. Buto na lang enjoy kami magbulya-bulyawan doon.
Mukha ng bangka Chinese maintain dun sa gilid. True. As in, balot na balot ako kasi yung ang lakas ng bagyo.
Gets ko naman na may adventure queen. Pero sana naman madami tayong ginawa para worth it, diba? Yung sana hindi madali. Kasi alam mo yun, parang kakababa mo pa lang dun sa
Hinayaan muna tayo.
Nag-enjoy kami, like, living talaga ang scenery. It's just the logistics. Kasi lalo na ng tour company yun. So, anyway, bye! Anxiety! Ay! Okay, sobrang ano. Hindi ka nang babala. Good morning, guys! So, today is our revenge tour. Kasi kahapon talaga sinubok kami ng panahon. So, ngayon kami ay hopefully ganda-gandahan with a little bit of adventure. You know what I'm saying? Naka-private tour na kami ngayon. So, mas hawak namin yung oras namin. I'm so excited. Even though ngarag kasi may mga revisions ang ate ninyo at hindi ko alam if yes, mabilisan. If papatayin ako ng manager ko, hindi ako mag-reply today. Pero feeling ko may mga LTE naman doon. Kasi diba meron kayo sa Globe? Paano na lang? Pa-share na lang. But yeah, guys, let's have a good time! Hey, hey, hey! Minchin, ipapatransport kita. May buhaya? Totoo ba?
Oo, meron talaga, makikita mo.
Totoo ba may buhaya? Scam ka, Queen.
Ay, Miss Minchin, di ba pakita mo naman sila mga spells?
Living the quiet life. I'm so tired of city life na. Ala, face card lang ang laban, no? Ang kapal. Wala kang tulog, guys. Ngarag-ngarag ang Queen. Ang mga binagyo kahapon. Alam niyo ba, natutulog ako, gumaganon pa ako. Oh. Na-feel niyo ba yun?
Nagka-outfitting pa tayo eh.
Ganda. Guys, do you see it? So pretty.
Santos?
Ay, maliligo ka, Queen?
Hindi, ipapalit lang ako. Hindi aga pa.
Hi guys! So we're here at Magpopongko Beach. Ito yung sinasabi ko na fantasy, na eat lang by the beach, gano'n. We had a lot of great times sa cave. Kaya lang, na-chicken ang ate ninyo, hindi ako nakatalon. Pero it's okay. Talagang may lula kasi ako, guys. Hindi ko siya na fantasy. Nakapaglubid naman ako. And it's really fun. Sayang talaga. I wish na kapagdala ko ng action camera para makita ninyo kung paano kami nag-struggle. Sobrang tawang-tawa kami. But right now, we're having lunch at Sana Restaurant. And I'm so happy. Like, enjoy talaga, sis. Enjoy na enjoy. Nabidyo mo ba? Turot ng gulo. That was really fun. Even though hindi kayo marunong mag-swimming, nakakaingat yung mga free floating. Free floating? Ano ba tawag doon? Yung mga nagko-float lang na walang life vest. Because honestly, mang fantasy kapag wala kang life vest. Sobrang hindi nakaka-abra yung life vest. But I feel like sobrang nag-tan na ako, guys. All that matters.
Balik kayo yung share. Solo lang ako yung...
Sarap.
Ito lang dapat papaalala ko eh. Kasi yun yung nakitang sa lapat.
Hello guys! We're here at Whitebeard Cafe. Nakita ko siya sa TikTok. And mostly western ang kanilang menu. Parang mag-rice tayo, Queen, no? Corned beef ulit. Puro nakailang corned beef na kami. Iba't ibang quality ng corned beef. Mag-corned beef ako, Queen. Bacon. Okay. Parang beachfront din yung pupunta ka doon. Tara, later. We're here at Cloud9 and it's so nice. Kaya lang low tide. Mamaya 3 pa daw mag-high tide. So, siguro abutin namin mga hanggang 3 dito. Tapos, lipat kami sa Katangnan ng around 4 para maabutin namin yung sunset. Jean is ordering a drink for us right now. Ang ganda dito, guys. Fantasy lang siya, oh. Very interesting thing na nanonotice ko dito sa Siargao. Hindi maamoy yung beach. Like, when you go to La Union or Cebu, amoy na amoy mo talaga. Nag-drive ka pa lang, alam mo nang may dagat nearby. Here, may amoy, pero hindi siya talagang super alat ng amoy, if that makes sense. Ninyo, pero lalaban ko guys. We're here at Katangnan Bridge, which is also called Afam Bridge for some reason, kasi marami daw Afam dito. Pero let's not rename things. This is Katangnan Bridge. Hindi nyo bridge to, mga Afam. Pilipinas to, amin to! A lot of people go here for the sunset. And hopefully mapakita ko siya sa inyo, kasi I feel like, ayan pa lang yung sun.
Cute, no? Cute ng color.
Color analysis.
Ang bubbly niya. Color. Ayan, match na match talaga. Hindi, I mean yung flower.
Ay.
Sana ang dami natin pang part.
Ay, bibili pala akong panty. Ay, hindi.
Kala ko ba naglalaba ka?
Wala lang akong panty. Hindi, meron na palang bikini.
Ako din nga bikini suot ko ngayon. Na panty.
Sarili lang. Chicas na lang. Magkano po ulit? 1,000 pa lang.
Ay, ang cute! Let's see.
Diba?
Ate,
yung matcha sa bikini.
Ay, cute! Sa bikini!
Tama, no? Matcha sa bikini.
Yeah. Kailangan mo na.
Good morning, Siargao! Charot. Good morning, guys. Pupunta kami sa Tri-Island Tour. Diba? Ganda ng energy namin kasi nagpahingal lang kami kahapon. Sarap na tulog. Tapos ito daw yung tour na ganda-gandahan lang. I book lang sa Klook. Not sponsored, pero Klook! Ang fresh ko ngayon, oh. Akala nyo talaga hindi ako makaka-aura dito, ha? Dahil nakalimutan ko ang 1 packing cube. Nor! So pretty! Literal na naked island siya. Bagay na bagay yung damit ko! Hello, vlog! Wala akong action na, pero meron akong iPhone. So, nilalaban ko siya. Oh. Parang Gatorade yung water. It's so pretty! I get it now. Sabi ko hindi ako, what do you call that? Hindi ako island girl. Pero if ganda yung island, sis naman. And then, ang ganda din ng boat namin. Meron siyang pang-music. We're having lunch. Budal fight. Nakaswimming lang namin. Ang saya-saya.
Pipino. Ano yung mabait ng pinya?
We made it to Guyam Island. Fantasy na fantasy ko tong bikini ko na nabili ko kagabi. But guys, sobrang ganda ng vibe dito. I would get mango shake. But low-key, ang sakit na ng chart ko. Like, nadya-jabs na ako. But this is our last stop. I like this tour so much kasi mas chill siya, to be honest. Wala masyadong activity. Like, if you're someone na gusto nyo ganda-gandahan lang, chill by the beach ang atake, inom lang kayo ng coconut, mango juice, picture-picture, get the Tri-Island Tour from Klook. Kasi maganda talaga siya.